Hello, amazing learners. I'm teacher Alessandro, and today we're going on an exciting journey into a colorful world of Microsoft PowerPoint. So get ready to click, drag, design, and have lots of fun. Let's begin. Welcome to our MS PowerPoint tutorial. In this video, I'll be guide you as we explore how to create beautiful, creative, and professional looking presentations. Are you ready? Let's dive in and make something awesome. PowerPoint is not just for school. It's a fun and powerful tool where we can express yourself, tell stories, and present ideas in a super engaging way. So open your minds and let's start learning by doing. PowerPoint helps us share ideas in a more exciting and clear way. Whether it's school report, a project, or a birthday greeting, PowerPoint brings your ideas to life. Just imagine showing your project with moving pictures and fun text. When you open PowerPoint, don't be scared. At the top, you'll see tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Animations. These are your tools. On the left is your slide panel. In the center, you'll see design each slide like a canvas. It's your creative playground. To create a new slide, click on New Slide, pick a layout, and boom! You've got a blank canvas. Type a title, add text, insert a picture, and you're off to great start. Don't forget to make it colorful and neat. Want to add a cute dog or a picture of your favorite place? Click Insert, then Pictures, find your image, and it's there. You can also use shapes like arrows, circles, stars, and more to decorate your slides. Here's the fun part: animations. Yes, you heard it right. Animations. You can make your text fly in, bounce, or fade. Use the animation pane to control when and how things appear. It's like being the director of your own mini movie. Transitions are effects that happen between slides. You can use transitions like push, split, fade, and many more. Add sound if you like, but keep it simple. You want your presentation to look cool, not noisy. Here are quick tips. Keep your slides clean, use easy to read fonts, and limit your colors to 2 to 3. Make sure everything is aligned. Remember, simple is beautiful. You want your audience to focus on your message, not get dizzy with too much design. Very important. Always save your work. Click File, Save As, choose where to save, give it a name, and click Save. Don't let your hard work disappear. Save often, especially if you're adding a lot. Now, it's your turn. Your performance task is to create 3-slide PowerPoint about your favorite food, animal, and dream destinations. Add text, pictures, shapes, and animations. Be creative, be bold, and most of all, have fun. Before presenting, breathe deeply, speak clearly, and smile. Look at your audience, even if it is your classmates or family. You work hard, so be proud and confident. Present like a star. Wow! You made it! You've learned how to create slides, add images and animations, and even design like a pro. Keep practicing and exploring. You are now officially a PowerPoint creator. Give yourself a round of applause. Thank you so much for joining me in this exciting MS PowerPoint tutorial. I'm teacher Alessandro, and I can't wait to see the amazing presentations you're creating. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep smiling. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!